The chapter name is The MCC. It the MCC was written by R.K. Narayan and it came from Swami and his friends. It has been taken from Swami and his friends, written by R.K. Narayan. Let's see what happens in the story. Once upon a time, Swaminathan and his friend Ravi, they both were just playing. With Ravi plays bad cricket. He likes to play cricket very much, and Swami didn't know how to play cricket. In that way, Swami didn't know, but Ravi always carry the marks, the scores in his mind. He always try to get the scores, or the he always note down the scores in his notebook and the pictures of some famous cricketer. He keeps the photos in it. Swami tries to copy his Ravi, but he sometimes can't. They both were there were only three friends: Ravi, Mani, and Swami. Ravi and Swaminathan has thought to open a cricket club, but money was not there available in that country, in that state. So he has gone out of the city. So they both has decided to they have decided to keep the names. What names should they put of the cricket club? So they had sometimes decided the names that Ravi has thought was the MCC. The the real full form of MCC is Marylebone Cricket Club. That is in Australia. They thought to keep this. Then Swami said that no, this name is already taken by the other cricket team, so we can't take this name. This is very bad for us. They will drag us to the court. They will complain against us. So the Swami has said this, so that the Ravi has said that no, if they will drag us to the court, I will say there that the MCC stands for Malgudi Cricket Club. They were living in Malgudi. So the Ravi said that we will say that it is Malgudi Cricket Club. Then the Swaminathan and Ravi started doing that arguing. Started arguing. After that, after a few of the names, they have said that no, we will not keep the MCC. It's so common. Matlab, already the name has taken by someone. So Swaminathan has thought of many other names like Union 11, the Jumping Stars. So Ravi has a quick recap in his mind that he has seen somewhere written on the newspaper that one cricket club is there named the Stars. The name was written like the news headlines was written like the Jumping Stars has hit the high school 11 by 78 runs. Like this, the news was written in the newspaper of very earlier thing. So it was like this going on. So they have thought of many other names. So Ravi has taken out his that list of the names of that are already there. So that he has started saying 11, Union 11, Champion 11s, High School 11s, then Warriors. They have said this word. So they have decided to keep that the Union Champion 11 they have decided to keep. But they have thought that they will keep two names. So they have said that we will keep two names. But what is to pay taxes? That time the money they were earning was 500, 10,000, sorry, 10,000 like this. They got the money in the previous years ago. So like this, their money was the father's money was like this. Their pay was like 500, 600. So my Ravi fathers got 600 every month, and that his Swami father got 700 or to 800 per month. So they have said that Swami has said that my fathers always give 400 in to pay taxes, and the rest or the more they give in taxes, and the rest, those who left, those who are the money that is left, they spend on us and our family things. Like this they were talking, so they were deciding the names. The Ravi, then Swami has blanked off, that he has nothing to think, no names are coming in his mind. Then Ravi asked him that, have you blanked off, you are right up, you don't your ideas are not coming. Then Swami said that, no, if I was thinking about money, if he would be here, then he would just suggest us more good names, more names. Then he started calling more names of that, but they were already in that. So they were talking about the taxes they have to pay. Then they given the examples that they could keep two names, like there was a school where Ravi was before. Then they told that in that school, Ravi told that there was one cricket club that was having two names, the Warrior Cricket Club and the Warriors 11 Cricket. So he has said like this. So they were just saying that who will pay the taxes if government would ask of two taxes, we don't have the money to pay one taxes fully. Then what if our club will not go on? Then these all things they were talking about. As soon as they have decided the name, that is Union Champion 11. So they have said that the Swaminathan has said that whom we will pay the tax to. If the other members will defraud us, then if anyone will take our money and go away, then what we will do, we will get a very good scolding from our parents, mm, ca- from our relative, we will get from our friends only very bad things we have to listen. So they have decided to, whatever they was doing, that to don't do. They have decided to not to open a cricket club. After that they have after that soon they have realized that if they will open a cricket club, they have to pay very much amount of money. If no one will come in that cricket club, they would be faced by very much of problems. They will give the, if they will not give the money, the government will not recognize them if they will not pay the taxes, and many of the other teams can take their, like this they were thinking a lot. This was only the story that was written by R.K. Narayan, an extract from Swami and his friends. Thank you.